Hello friends, myself Brinda from Delhi. Friends, today I am going to discuss about a network marketing company which totally works on the branded products. Friends, the name of this company is Branded Tree, which is doing business with 100% market branded products. And it is also clear with the name of company itself that a huge tree with a group of number of brands. Friends, brand is the symbol of quality. Whenever you purchase anything for yourself and you pay for it, then you always have satisfaction that you have paid for the quality. So friends, here you will get all branded products to do your business, which are always demanded in the market. Company is working on offline as well as online basis. Friends, if I talk about the power of online working, last year Amazon had done the business of 60,000 crores, and you know it doesn't have any retail outlet. So friends, doing business with the Branded Tree, you can also develop your online business all over India. First category is grocery, and every product is that which we use in our daily routine. And if I talk about brand, then there is Colgate, Nestle, Fortune, Everest, etc. Next category is crockery, which enhance the beauty of your kitchen, and brands are Trio, Cello, Milton, Wonder Chef, etc. Next category is home appliances, which make your life easy. Next category is electronics. The brands are Sony, Intex, Voltas, Whirlpool, Hitachi, Samsung, etc. So friends, Branded Tree is working on 100% open market products. Now let's talk about how you can start your business. Friends, you can start your business by purchasing the grocery product worth rupees 3000 MRP, and you will get all your daily need products like rice, pulses, sugar, tea, gram flour, spices, salt, soaps, shampoo, etc. And you will get a coupon worth rupees 500, which you can redeem with crockery, home appliances, accessories, electronics within 6 months. Friend, after purchasing this welcome kit, you are eligible to develop your business all over India. So friends, let's discuss about the plan how you can earn great income from Branded Tree. First income is binary income, which is 8%. Friends, here first pair ratio is 2:1 or 1:2, and after that it will 1:1 unlimited till death. You can earn 3000 daily, and power leg is carry forward, means your business will not lapse, and company is giving weekly payment. On every Monday the income is transferred in your account. Second income is referral income, and it is 25%. If you sponsor any team member with your sponsor ID, then you will earn 25% referral income of the binary income of that member. If one team member is earning rupees 90,000 binary income, then you will get 25% referral income of his income, which is 22,500. If your team member increases from 1 to 10 member, then you will earn 2,25,000 referral income, and if it increases up to 20 members, then you will earn 4,50,000 referral income of their binary income. Friends, there is no limit, no capping in referral income. You can sponsor as many as you want, and friends, you can earn very good income from this referral income. Third income is repurchase profit, which is up to 25%. If you purchase anything from the website of Branded Tree, you will get discount up to 25%. Fourth income is downline repurchase income. Friends, here the level of your income increases with the increase in the business volume. Like the first business volume is 13,000 BV to 13,000 business volume, the level of your income is 6%. After that 13,013 business volume to 45,000 business volume, the level of your income increases to 9%. After that 45,013 business volume to 85,000 business volume, the level of your income increases to 12%. After that 85,013 business volume to 1,50,000 business volume, the level of income increases to 15%. After that 1,50,013 business volume to 2,50,000 business volume, the level of your income increases to 18%. After that 2,50,013 business volume and above, the level of income increases to 21%. So friends, this is your accumulation business plan. The level you have achieved will never become zero. Either it will increase or it will fix. And if you achieve the level of 21%, you will get 21% of business volume of your purchase. Friends, fifth income is royalty income. If you have achieved the level of 21% and one of your team member achieved the level of 21%, then you will earn the royalty income of 2%. And after that, at second level, if any member achieved the level of 21% and on the other side any other member achieved the level of 21%, you will earn the royalty income of 3%. And after that, at third level, any member achieved the level of 21% and on the other side any member achieved the level of 21%, you will earn royalty income 4%. So friend, if we total this royalty income, we will earn 9% royalty income. And friends, to understand this royalty income, you can go through the diagram on the screen. Friends, sixth income is bonanza rewards. Friends, if I talk about the bonanza reward of the month of May, if you match the pair of 50-50, you will get juicer, mixer, grinder plus induction. And if you match 100-100 pair, then you will get an Android phone. And if you match 250 pair, then you will get a laptop. And if you match all the pairs like 400 pair, you will get all the above gifts. And friends, those bonanza rewards change every month. Every month company brings something new for you. Seventh income is franchise lifetime margin. Friends, here you will get 8% income on sale of every new joining kit, and you will get 8% on sale of repurchase business volume. So friends, don't waste your time in thinking so much, because this is the right time to take right action, because Branded Tree had provided you a platform to earn good income and fulfill all your dreams. So friends, call me fast to hold your top position, and our MD group will support you to develop your Branded Tree online business all over the world. Thank you so much friends.